your first choice for the most recent information on anything Apple. We're exploring the exciting world of technology today, where the talk is all about the much-awaited iPad Mini 7, which will be joined by not one, not two, but three new iPad Air models. Like us, you're undoubtedly an avid Apple fan, so you'll want to be informed. So make sure you never miss any of our engaging stuff by clicking the subscribe button and setting off the notification bell. We'll start off by talking about the iPad Mini 7. Its design is still similar to that of its predecessor, but what really makes it different is what's under the hood. The powerful A15 Bionic chip, which is also present in the iPhone 13, is already present in the iPad Mini 6. Imagine what will be possible if the upcoming iPad Mini 7 has an even quicker A16 or A17 chip. With this update, the iPad Mini 7 will be among the most powerful tablets available, outperforming its rivals. You need look no farther if you're looking for a little tablet with flagship specs. The iPad Mini is your best and only option. Hold on though, there's more. The iPad Mini 7 is rumored to have a better front-facing camera, a bigger battery for longer use, support for Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E, and a brighter, more energy-efficient display. It's everything a tech-savvy consumer might ask for. Let's return to the iPad Air, for which Apple is getting ready for not one, but two new models. The first one is anticipated to be a modest improvement over the existing iPad Air 5, featuring new hardware and a few small spec boosts. The second model, though, looks to be something truly remarkable. It could be a more expensive device with better specs or a larger version of the iPad Air. Offering two distinct screen sizes for its mid-range tablet would be a first for Apple if the larger version materializes. This update will definitely satisfy those who want a bigger screen without having to pay the high price of an iPad Pro. Regarding the more costly iPad Air variant, there are some really intriguing rumors. It is rumored to have improved cameras, a more powerful Apple M2 CPU for both iPad Air variants, and a mini LED display. It's obvious that Apple is spending no money to provide a cutting-edge tablet experience. The thrill doesn't end there either. Apple is also getting ready to introduce a new iPad Pro model that will come with a powerful M3 CPU. According to rumors, the Magic Keyboard on this iPad Pro will be updated with a larger trackpad and a more laptop-like appearance for individuals seeking a tablet that can seamlessly convert into a laptop for work or play. This is a dream device. All of these remarkable new iPads are expected to be released with the future version of iPadOS 7, which means they should be announced between now and Don't You Give GC 2024 in June. So get ready for some thrilling Apple events and product launches in the near future. We look forward to hearing from you now that you are aware of the amazing improvements that will be included in the upcoming iPad Mini 7, iPad Air, and iPad Pro. Which of these newly released iPads excites you the most? Please let us know what you think by leaving a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the most recent rumors and news about Apple. We hope to see you in our upcoming video as we continue to delve into the fascinating realm of invention and technology. Thank you for coming.